On today's video, we're going to show you guys how to replace a leaking gate valve. This valve here is leaking on a cold water chiller loop. So we cannot drain the water. So what we have to do is we're going to freeze the 1/2" line. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So you shut both valves down. We're going to use this cold shot kit. Okay, our pipe is 1/2", so we're going to get the 1/2" clamps. 1/2". You open that and put it around the pipe. So we're going to put a clamp on the supply side of the line and the outlet side. So we're going to freeze both sides.
Cut it like right.
You go back there?
Yep.
Yeah, cut it right there. Okay, we got it on the in and the out of this air handler we have here. So, Derek is going to show us how to hook it up. We're going to hook one end on.
Turn it like that, and then just twist it, and it locks in.
Okay. Now, you're going to put the T on, right?
Put the T on.
Okay. CO2, carbon dioxide. It's got this tank filled. So you hook up the T here. Good. Okay. So we have the T here going up to the 2 1/2".
So we're all set up now. We gotta go turn off the chiller.
Now we need to shut the water down. This is a cold water loop chiller.
And you see these two? When it's on, they're facing in. When it's off, they're facing out. So I turned it off already. And then you gotta turn off the 3 pumps, or however many pumps you have.
Right here, the 3 breakers.
Pump 1, pump 2.
So we shut off these 3 pumps. What we're doing now is we're freezing the line. So we can cut it, slap a valve on there real quick. You can use a pro press valve in there, but we're going to go ahead and use a shark bite valve in there. Okay, there it is there. Open it and close it. There it is there. All right, got the valve on there all the way on. That's a sweet sound. Turn the other one on. Okay, there we go there. We got this 1/2" pipe. Let's go ahead and take a look at Derek's work.
Well, the little...
We got the valve open. It's not leaking anymore. So we use shark bite on this application, guys. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. So there we go there. There it is there.